Your question is, which among the following is not correct about a High Court in India? Your options are A. The second appeal to the High Court is within its appellate jurisdiction. B. Every judge of a High Court is appointed by the President. C. Governor of the state appoints the judges of a High Court. Or D. High Courts may accept a petition related to public interest litigation. Right answer is C. Governor of the state appoints the judges of a High Court. Your question is, the pension of a retired High Court judge is charged to the, your options are A. Consolidated Fund of India, B. Consolidated Fund of the state where he last served, C. Consolidated Fund of the different states where he has served, or D. Contingency Fund of India. Right answer is A. Consolidated Fund of India. Your question is, the salaries and allowances of the judges of the High Court are charged to the, your options are A. Consolidated Fund of India, B. Consolidated Fund of the state, C. Contingency Fund of India, or D. Contingency Fund of the state. Right answer is B. Consolidated Fund of the state. Your question is, the age of retirement of a High Court judge is, your options are A. 65, B. 60, C. 62, or D. 58. Right answer is C. 62. Your question is, consider the following statements regarding the high courts in India. 1. There are 18 high courts in the country. 2. 3 of them have jurisdiction over more than one state. 3. No union territory has high court of its own. 4. Judges of the high court hold office till the age of 62. Which of these statements is or are correct? Your options are A. 1, 2 and 4, B. 2 and 3, C. 1 and 4, or D. 4 only. Right answer is D. 4 only. Judges of the High Court hold office till the age of 62. Your question is, the power of High Court to issue writ covers. Your options are A. Constitutional right, B. Statutory right, C. Fundamental right, or D. All of above. Right answer is D. All of above. Constitutional rights, statutory rights, and fundamental right. Your question is, match it. Habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari, quo warranto. So, habeas corpus, let us have the body. Mandamus, we command. Prohibition, writ to subordinate courts. Certiorari, be more fully informed. Quo warranto, by which authority? Your question is, which one of the following high courts has the territorial jurisdiction over Andaman and Nicobar Islands? Your options are A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Calcutta, C. Madras, or D. Odisha. Right answer is B. Calcutta. Your question is, which of the following high courts has its jurisdiction over more than one state or union territory? Your options are A. Allahabad, B. Delhi, C. Gujarat, or D. Bombay. Right answer is D. Bombay. Your question is, who became the Chief Justice of Chhattisgarh High Court in 2008? Your options are A. Rajiv Gupta, B. S.R. Nayak, C. Anand Kumar Patnaik, D. K.H.N. Kuranga, or E. W.A. Shishak. Right answer is A. Rajiv Gupta.